Hey everyone, welcome to another scrunchy sewing tutorial. So I'm using this sweater. I just cut some sweater three stripes, and I'm going to sew them. I just started. I'm sorry, but I thought my video was recording, but it wasn't. So I've mixed pink and orange, and now I'm going to mix pink with beige for this next one. And yeah, to sew this. Yeah, I mean, it's so nice making such scrunchies, so I'm really excited to do this. So I have these pairs of scrunchies, so I just saw this one, two colors. Now I'm going to put them together, so keep on watching. So when sewing, I'm going to use this method, which I've not been using. I'm leaving space for putting them together, like 2 centimeter there and 2 centimeter to the other one. So now we're gonna stitch straight to the bottom, and then at the end we're gonna turn it around and put it together. So well, I'm not really kind of a person who like putting on pins on it. I like sewing really like this really quick, so don't do that, but this is my way how I do it. I've been sewing for so long, so for me, I do things my way. So now we are going to turn this around, and then we see that we sew it again. So we've got our 2 combination, so I'm going to put the other ones together. So at the end we're going to sew this like this, and then we put our elastic in. So I'm going to continue sewing the rest, and then we go from there. I am so excited about these scrunchies. I hope you like it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe for my channel to grow. And make sure you like, share, and you can buy these scrunchies on my website. As I will be putting them on my website, you can order. You can order yours. So yes, it's fun sewing. It's something you love. So, well, I'm really trying to have some sale on the stuff I've been sewing. But until now, really, it's not really been working my way. Make sure you support me and my small business by going to my website at acesstaceycreationco.com and order the stuff I have on my website. So most of the stuff are handmade stuff on my website, so make sure you order your pieces as they are made with love. Support your girl. That way we can grow this small business and have more fun doing what we love doing. So subscribe, order. I have stuffed animals, stuffed animals like penguin, a kitty cat, socks monkeys. I have some pillows, throw pillows, some canvas shoulder bags. All are made with love in this studio of mine. sure you. Order. I need to get everything out. Because I've been sewing a lot and I need to get them out. That way I can keep on sewing new ones. So please make sure you support your girl's business. That way we can grow it. And you have and you get something with. Well, hi everyone. Now I'll be adding now the elastic. So let's get started. Here we have our scrunchies, which I just sewed, and I just measured like 17 centimeter from the elastic. We're going to add them in to form our scrunchies. I'm going to hold it here, that way it won't go in and disappear. So yeah, now this is our scrunchies from this amazing fabric, and I'm so glad I decided to make this. Excuse me. So now I'm going to tie them, tie the ends. So this is our scrunchie. And I'm going to now sew the end here, and first I will have to make my tag and put it inside, but this is how at the end of the time you're going to just put them together, the opening, tie the pin, put on the pin to hold it, and then sew the ends. So this is our scrunchie. We made it. Hi. It's looking so amazing. Oh, I have to repeat it again. Yeah, oops. So, So this is our scrunchie. So yeah, our scrunchie is done, and we can now have it for sale. Two colors, amazing colors. Yeah, that's our scrunchie, and I'm gonna finish the rest and then come back. So this is the end of my scrunchies. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Like, comment, and just share. Please make sure that this channel is growing. I am so glad for the subscribers, and I hope to grow more. So please make sure you subscribe, 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 subscribe. They are really amazing. Yeah, I love them. And well, keep watching. Let's see you in another next tutorial, and bye bye, ciao ciao, mwah, mwah. Bye.